Hello my crafty friends, it's Jenny from Origami Tree, and today we'll be making candy corn treat boxes. So there are actually two variations to this box. The first one is of a witch that has a witch's hat and also a cute little broom. And the second one is a little trick-or-treating candy corn with a jack-o'-lantern. Both of these boxes can stand on their own and they can open up from the bottom where you can put little treats and candies inside. But before we jump into the demo, if you are new to my channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button. Also turn on those notifications to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. And without further ado, let's jump right in. To make the candy corn boxes, you're going to have to print out the templates from my website. So there are 4 sheets total. The first 2 sheets are going to be for the little trick-or-treater candy corn, and the second 2 sheets is going to be for the witch. Since both boxes are assembled in the exact same way, I will just be showing you the witch one. Start off by cutting all of the pieces with a pair of scissors. So now that we have all of the pieces cut out, it's time to assemble the box. This is going to be the back of the box, and for the back you're just going to fold along this line over here. And that's it. That was really simple. And then for the front, we're going to fold backwards. So we're going to fold back, doing mountain folds like this. And you're going to fold along all of these lines. Fold right underneath his smile. This tab here. Fold along the side of his body. And now we're going to fold all of the tabs as well. Great, so now we're going to grab some glue stick and we're going to put a dab of glue right on this red dot over here and then just bring it behind the face. Do the same thing on this side. Bring it under the face. And now let's take this tab and we're going to put it right above his forehead and put it right under. Now we're going to close off his head by putting glue on this tab at the top and putting it behind. So now the front looks like this. Now let's dab some glue right over here. Bring it under. Same thing on the left side. A little bit of glue here. Bring that under. Flip it around. And now we're going to put glue on all of these tabs. So anywhere that you see a red dot, we're going to put glue on. I'm going to start just on the right side and then put this right on top, starting at the very top. Now that we have the right side all glued down, we're going to work on the left side. So bring this tab out, put some glue on it, and then seal it shut, like this. So now your main box is complete. You can put candies and other goodies inside right over here. And once you have everything inside, you can seal it. So you're going to put the left and right flaps down. And then put this tab down, the one with the opening. Fold it down. And then take this and we're going to insert it right into this slot right here. So you had cut a slot earlier. Just stick that in there. And it seals itself shut. So now we're just going to decorate, so I'm going to put some glue on this witch hat. Put it right on top. Maybe add a slight slant because it's cute. And then put some glue on the witch's broom. And glue it right over here. And your candy corn treat box is completely done. I hope you like those candy corn treat boxes. Again, this would make a great idea for the little trick-or-treaters coming to your door this Halloween. If you enjoy this and would like to see more videos like this in the future, please consider supporting my channel by hitting that subscribe button and also turning on those notifications, of course. Additionally, if you would like to further support this channel, especially with the holidays coming around soon, please consider purchasing some Hello My Crafty Friends merchandise. Thanks so much for watching and for your support. I'll see you next time. Bye!